What's up, everyone? It's the Stock, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of Forex trading. Trust me, I've been there. But the truth is, Forex trading can be an exciting and potentially profitable venture if you're properly prepared. That's why I've put together this ultimate guide to help you navigate the ins and outs of Forex, from understanding the basics to mastering your emotions. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, providing you with practical tips and actionable strategies to kickstart your Forex journey. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started on this exciting adventure together. First things first, let's break down the basics of Forex. Essentially, the Forex market is where currencies are traded against each other. Now, you'll be trading currency pairs like the euro against the US dollar, for example. You're essentially betting on whether one currency will strengthen or weaken against the other. Before you even think about placing a trade, you need to arm yourself with knowledge. There are tons of resources available online, from free courses to in-depth books and paid mentorship programs. Take your time, absorb as much information as you can, and get comfortable with the trading platforms available. Your broker is your gateway to the Forex market, so choosing a reputable one is crucial. Don't be afraid to shop around, compare different brokers, and read reviews from other traders. Once you've chosen a broker, it's time to open a trading account. Most brokers offer different account types to suit various trading styles and budgets. Take your time, explore the different account options, and choose one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Look, trading without a plan is like sailing without a compass. A solid trading plan outlines your financial goals, risk tolerance, preferred trading strategies, and the specific criteria for entering and exiting trades. Think of it as your roadmap to success in the Forex market. It should be detailed, well-defined, and most importantly, followed diligently. One of the most critical aspects of Forex trading, and arguably the most overlooked by beginners, is risk management. That's why it's crucial to utilize risk management tools like stop-loss orders, which automatically close your trades at a predetermined price level, limiting your potential losses. Remember, protect your capital first, and the profits will follow. With your education, broker, trading account, and plan in place, it's time to dip your toes into the exciting waters of Forex trading. Now, remember to start small, especially if you're new to this. Analyze the market, identify potential trading opportunities, and execute your trades based on your predefined strategy. And most importantly, be patient, disciplined, and don't let your emotions get the best of you. Think of your trading journal as your personal trading diary. It's where you'll document every single trade you make, including the entry and exit points, your thought process behind the trade, and the outcome. This invaluable tool helps you track your progress, identify patterns in your trading behavior, and refine your strategies over time. The Forex market is influenced by a myriad of factors, from economic data releases to geopolitical events. Staying informed about these events can give you an edge in anticipating market movements. The more you understand the forces driving the market, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. The world of Forex is constantly evolving, with new trading strategies and technologies emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to embrace continuous learning. Remember, the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to changing market conditions and improve your trading skills. Listen, trading can be an emotional roller coaster. The key is to keep your emotions in check and not let them cloud your judgment. Develop a disciplined trading mindset, stick to your plan, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Remember, emotional control is a crucial factor that separates successful traders from the rest. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to navigating the exciting world of Forex trading. Remember, success in Forex or any financial market doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Starting with a well-thought-out plan and taking a disciplined approach will help you navigate the complexities of Forex trading. Don't be afraid to start small, learn from your mistakes, and gradually increase your trading size as you gain experience. So stay focused, stay disciplined, and never give up on your financial dreams.